Welcome to Bader International's Classic Online Motorcycle Sales. Well, this motorcycle is and or was a 1914 Harley single-cylinder belt drive. And this was in the recent Sonoma fires. It was in a storage container on property. And the fires came through, and this is the end result of that. This motorcycle, along with a number of other ones, were in two containers. And this was the oldest one. The other ones were shovel heads, some Evos, and so on. And they suffered worse damage than this. Rear tires completely melted off. Front tires, as you can see, everything's blistered. The gas tank, oil tank, all came unsoldered. And it's obvious that it got very, very hot in that container. I don't believe the bike caught on fire. I think it basically was just sitting in that oven. It's almost like spontaneous combustion. This bike was a Cannonball winner, believe it or not. Belonged to a good friend of mine, Dean Bottigioni. And needless to say, it's going to take a little work to get it back up to speed. What I find interesting is all the reflective silver backing on the mirrors burnt out, but the glass itself is still remained. In the container, it also had the original seat, and that is down to frame. Obviously, all the leather was burnt off or baked off. And this was an aftermarket set of gas tanks used for the race, and the original set was in the container as well. And they're in about the same condition as this now. But interestingly enough, the aluminum alloy looks in good shape. You can see I just dusted off the engine number. The engine turns through. But obviously it's going to have to be pulled completely back down. Or hey, if you like the look, there you have it. Just making a joke here. This had the rear wheel clutch system in it. And again, for 1914, a belt drive is very rare. And I think this singles went up to like 1916 before they really stopped offering them up, or people stopped buying them back in the day. They really didn't come back in until the mid-20s. But the sheet metal actually looks in decent condition. Wheels look okay. I don't see any real warping of the frame or any of the wheels. The spokes didn't snap or have an issue. Back wheel hub is still there. Magneto obviously got cooked. Melted the wires right off it. But obviously the bike is going to need some help. She's looking for a new home. And bottom line is you get what you get. You can go to our website, baterinternational.com, and check out all the motorcycles we have available for sale. Or you can call me direct on this one, 805-798-1802. And if you're looking for a project bike, here you have it. If you like our videos, make sure you hit all the like buttons and everything, all the bells and whistles on YouTube. Check it all out. Subscribe to our page. And again, if you have any questions about this bike or any others that we have available, my name is Glenn Bator, B-A-T-O-R, 805-798-1802.